Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel Unique World, and this is my very first vlog, and you're going to be tuning in to my Sunday afternoon as I go to Botanical Garden and Sugar Factory. The moment when you realize your twist out came out right. For my new subscribers, bear with me. I know I normally do DIY videos, but I am feeling myself today. It's so nice outside. But as you can see, I don't wear a lot of makeup. So this is my get ready. You good back there?
Yeah, I'm good back here. That's funny face.
Really, Dallas? At this very moment, I should have realized that I was going to get rained on. We were so disappointed that none of the fall decorations were out and they were hidden in the back. Oh, look at my hair. It's spraying. Yes, really. I look a mess now.
Cut yours. Get back here.
Yes, it is. You see it popped up? Is this rain on my head?
No, it's done.
Oh my goodness. Well, this is how my hair looks in humid rain. In the rain. I was still trying to look cute. I couldn't keep my hands out my hair. So the Sugar Factory is a place that a lot of people go to when they come to visit Atlanta, but also it is a place where people come to celebrate their birthday and or any type of event. But just know that you need to make sure that you bring your wallet, because the drinks are range from like $26 to $40 a glass for one of those candy drinks. But the food was good. Approval from my son, because he enjoyed those rainbow burgers. But the food was very decent and we had a good time.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through.
Well, that is it for this vlog, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, Unique World, and I'll see you next time. Ryan Little.